Hi guys, and welcome back to a new tips and tricks video. It's Ida here again. And in this clip, I just want to show you guys one tip how we can consider loading when we are using the functions copy, rotate, or mirror. Actually, with activating one option in RFM. For instance, you can see here a very simple concrete structure, and if we want to expand its structure, we can do that very quickly. There is, for example, the mirror function, and for that we can select the whole structure, click on the mirror button up here and choose create copy, select the plane out of the model, and then we can click OK. Now if we have a look on our model, yes, we can see it was copied, but if we go up here and activate this button so that the loads are getting displayed, you will notice that regardless which load case we choose, the loads are missing. So RFM provides a great option which we can activate in order to consider the loading. And again, I will select the whole structure and then I will click on mirror. We can keep these settings from the previous one, and then down here is the option edit expanded settings. If we click here, we can find under load cases copy including loading, and with activating this one, as you can see, now the loading is included for all load cases. So guys, again, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.